Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing new DIY on how to replace the brake pads of this Volkswagen Jetta. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Please, if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and please watch the whole video so you can see exactly how to replace the brake pads of this Volkswagen Jetta. So no more talking and let's go straight to the video. I'm gonna use this tool that comes with the car to remove this plastic cap bolt cover. So I'm gonna insert and pull, insert and pull, insert and pull, insert and pull, insert and pull. All right. The car has to be 100% secure. Jack stand, so perfect in place. Now let's continue removing this nut. Now I'm gonna use the 17mm socket to remove this nut. Okay, as you can see, the brake pads shows the metal with metal. I'm gonna take the breeze to O'Reilly to resurface the brake disc and then replace the brake pad. So let's continue. Before I start to disassemble the brake, so make sure the parking brake is released. So the parking brake has to be in this position. All right, let's continue. Okay, to remove the caliper, I'm gonna use this 13mm. Okay, to remove this one right here, and you have to use another one, which is 15mm to hold this one right here, right there. Now for this one is the same process. You have to use a 13mm, okay, and a 15mm to hold this one right here. Hold it and then use this one to remove the other nuts. Okay, now the brake caliper is removed, so I'm gonna remove carefully, jiggle a little bit, and it's out. Look at this. Wow. All right. These brake pads are around like probably 7 years old. Around 50,000 miles. Pretty good. Alright, now the caliper is out. I'm gonna use one tool to press the piston back in. So I'm gonna show you what tool I'm gonna use. In the meantime, I'm gonna use something to hold the caliper. there. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of this rust release to spray here a little bit, because I have to remove the brake disc right there. Not too crazy, just a little bit to release the brake disc. Now I'm gonna use this T30 to remove this little screw right here. There. This one is not too tight, so it's pretty easy to remove sometimes. In this case it was easy, sometimes it's difficult. Right now I'm gonna hit with a rubber hammer to try to release the brake disc. Right there, it's out. And right there. Okay, everything looks fine here, so I'm gonna continue on the other side. The other side is the same process. To remove the brake pads and the brake disc is the same process, so I'm gonna continue on the other side, and then I'm gonna go to O'Reilly to resurface the brake disc, and then when I come back I'm gonna show you how to assemble this brake disc. Once again, the other side is the same process, so I'm gonna continue on the other side, and then to remove the brake pads and the brake disc, and let's continue with this video. Okay, I already come back from O'Reilly. They took like 2 hours, around 2 hours to do this, resurfacing the brake disc, which looks pretty shiny and nice. So I want to continue and assemble this brake system, so be careful right here. Really, I touch it a little bit, it's a little dirt there, but be really careful with this. No grease, no dirt, no nothing, so to prevent anything. So I'm gonna clean it up, that one, with a brake cleaner, so it's gonna help with that. So in the meantime I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna clean a little bit more this brake caliper, and then right here I'm gonna remove a little bit of the rust. I'm gonna apply something to prevent the rust. So let's continue with this video. I'm gonna use this tool to service the caliper, so to compress the piston. So let me show you. Let me open this. Okay, right there. So let me show you how this work. Okay, this set has different sizes, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. You have to check the size of your brake piston caliper. So right here is a notch, and right there is a notch. I believe it's a number, let's try number 6. Okay, I want to try this number 6. I'm gonna put it this side. It has 2 pins right here, has to match in the notch, and right there is perfect. So now I'm gonna put some pressure with this tool. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Now before I start compressing the piston, I'm gonna remove a little bit of fluid, brake fluid I mean. So because it's almost full, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna remove some, because to prevent overflow the tank, and then the brake fluid is danger for almost everything, so I'm gonna remove a little bit before I start compressing the piston in the brake caliper. Okay, to remove the brake fluid, I'm gonna use this. So in a glass container. So carefully I'm gonna remove a little bit of black brake fluid. Put some racks over there. Then right there on racks. Then I'm gonna start to right there, carefully. Always wear glasses, safety glasses, just in case. Okay, I remove. All right there. I think it's enough. Let me try one more time. And then I'm gonna put some new brake fluid. Okay, I think right there is enough. Okay, make sure the brake fluid don't touch anything. Alright, I'm gonna put it back just like this. Alright. I'm gonna put some racks over here and right there. Okay, now let's go back to compress the piston in the brake caliper. Go first, I'm gonna insert this part right here through here, right there, and then let's go to the caliper. Okay, I'm gonna put these two pins inside of these two holes right there, and then let's go to the caliper and match right here. Right there, it's in place. And now start to turn this like this. Now start turning this, it's gonna compress the piston. There. Okay, right there, the piston stopped. That means the piston is all in. So a little bit more. Okay, right there, perfect. Now the piston is all the way in. I'm gonna start removing this tool. Right there. Okay, now we're gonna continue clean it up a little bit. It's a lot of dust and dirt, so I'm gonna remove as much as I can all that, and then I'm gonna continue assemble of the brake system. I'm gonna use this brake cleaner with this brush to clean the caliper. Okay, I think right there is fine. It's much clean than before, so I remove a lot of dust. So, and then I'm gonna continue right here cleaning this part. Okay, now this part is a little more clean, and this part right here. Okay, now I'm gonna remove this pin right here to clean it up a little bit and put some fresh grease. So I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna clean a little bit, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this grease. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Right there, I'm gonna remove the other one. The same process. Clean. Okay. And then apply. Okay, right there, perfect. Now I'm gonna put it back. Let me show you a little more close. Okay, right there. Okay, right there is back in place. Clean a little bit. Okay, right there. Make sure the plastic rubber is in place like it was before. Like it was before. Right there. Perfect. Fresh grease. Now clean. Okay, now I'm gonna install the brake disc, but before that I'm gonna apply a little bit of this to prevent rust here in this area, so the next time I have to remove the brake disc come out easily and no has to hit a lot of times to remove the brake disc. So let me apply this a little bit and then I'm gonna install the brake disc. Just a little bit, not too crazy. Okay, right there is fine. Okay, now I'm going to continue installing the brake disc. When you install, you have to be careful to install in the same direction or the same position. This one to this one right here. To this hole right there, because the screw is gonna be there. So let's install carefully. Okay, right there. Now this is the important part to hold it in place. Okay, let's move a little bit. Right there. Okay, this one has to be tight but not too crazy, just a little bit. Okay, right there. So now the brake disc is in place. Right, now I'm gonna continue installing the brake pads right here and put it all back in place, the caliper, and then we're done. Okay, this is the brand that I'm going to be using of the brake pad, just in case you want to buy the same one. It's a pretty good brand. So it comes with obviously the new brake pads. Let me take it out everything so you can see the brake pad right there, and then this is a very important part, the new bolts, because every single time that you replace your brake pad you have to replace the bolts, these new ones. So this set comes completely full set, 4 brake pads and 4 bolts. Okay, I'm gonna secure the brake disc with 2 more bolts to prevent any movement when I'm installing the brake caliper. Okay, something to mention before I start installing these brake pads. The 4 brake pads are the same size and everything, so you don't have to be worried about the position or whatever thing you think. The size, like I say, is the same size and everything is the same. So okay, let's continue. Another thing to mention, these brake pads come with adhesive 3M. So before install the brake pad in position, I'm gonna remove the 3M adhesive or this protection to install the brake pads. I want to install one on this side. Okay, and then remove the other tape. It's pretty easy to remove. And the other one slide to the other side of the brake disc. Now both brake pads are in position. I'm gonna continue installing the brake caliper. This piston has to be compressed all the way down, so make sure that happens, because otherwise you're gonna have trouble putting this caliper back in place. Now slide the brake caliper carefully. All right, okay, it's in position. All right, now I'm gonna install the bolts hand tight, just to make sure the caliper doesn't move. Stay in position. Okay, right there, it's going in. Right, now the other side on the bottom. I'm gonna use this 15 millimeters to hold this right here, and then the 13 millimeters to adjust the bolt. Just a little bit, not too much, because I'm gonna finish with the turkey wrench. Okay, now both bolts are tight. Like I said before, I'm gonna finish with the turkey wrench if it's possible, because the space is too tight. So that one and that one are tight. Everything looks perfect, fine. So I'm gonna continue with tightening up this bolt with a turkey wrench. Okay, I'm gonna use this turkey wrench to finish tightening up these two bolts. It's a little tight, the space, but I'm gonna try as much as I can to use the turkey wrench. I wanna hold with this 15 millimeter like before. Okay, right there. Now on the bottom. It's a little funny the way I'm gonna try to tighten up this one, which is the last one. I put it right here in an extension, and I go all the way there to try to tighten up this one. Otherwise, it's no space, no room here to tighten it up. So I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, got it. Both are tight. So this one and this one are tight. So everything looks fine. Alright guys, this is it. I hope this video helped you in case you need to replace your brake pads on your Volkswagen Jetta. It's a DIY. I try to explain step by step how to do it. If you have any question, leave the question below. So stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.